How to do a boomerang on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you do a boomerang on Snapchat. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Snapchat on your device. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat, you will get such interface. So if you are the iPhone user, after you take the snap or video from your Snapchat, you will get options in the drop down here. So the option will be like boomerang. So you can easily make that boomerang video on your iPhone. So for the Android, you'll have to do a little trick here. So for that, you'll have to firstly record your video like this. Alright, so after you record a snap on your Android phone like this, you'll have to go the option like loop, so it will appear at the last. So simply tap on this loop option. Okay, so after you make this video on a loop, the video will look as same as the boomerang. So in this way, you can also create a boomerang effect on your Android also. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.